today I don't know where my twin went. Probably got sent to the back rooms again. We are going to be building a gaming setup. It's gonna be peak, trust. Alright, enjoy this time lapse. Are you guys ready for the final result? Here you go.
This was really hard for me.
You got a little gorilla tag guy right there. You got a bounce pad because you can bounce on that. You got the deluxe chair. Spent all the money on the monitors and PC. Can't get a good chair. So, yeah, this took about an hour. So, please like and subscribe. We would appreciate it. We're almost at 50 subs. There goes my controller.